Hello everybody, welcome to Major Maths Clubhouse, where we make numbers easy and fun. My name is Michael and I'll be your host for this channel. So today our first topic we'll be diving into is sorts. How do we define sorts? Sorts are those weird square roots that don't simplify perfectly. So first we'll start with the simplest form, then we'll go further. But I can show you that before the end of this section, you have a working understanding of what sort is. Alright, so here we have root 50. So we are trying to break it down. So what we will say is that by breaking it down, what we will do is that we'll break it down into its factors. So we'll find the highest factor that is also a perfect square. One of the factors will have to be the highest factor that is also a perfect square. So in this case, it will be 25 times 2. Because 25 times 2 will be 50, right? Okay. So you break down the square roots into their individual square roots. So you have root 25 times root 2. Okay. So root 25, 1 times 1, 1 times 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 25. So the root 25 will be 5. This cannot be broken down simply perfectly, so we'll bring it down here as root 2. Then 5 times root 2 will give you 5 root 2. So same thing goes for root 27, sorry. So we have root 27. We'll break it down to the factors like the way we did this. So we'll have 9 times 3. Wait. So we have 9 times 3. 1. So let's bring it down here. We have root 9 times 3. Break it down to the individual square. We have root 9 times root 3. Alright, so root 9 gives you what? 3 times root 3. Can be simplified perfectly. So you have 3 times root 3, which is equal to what? 3 root 3. So we have another set of examples. And we have root 128 and root 108. So we'll start with root 128. So like I said, you break down this number into factors, hoping that one of the factors is a perfect square. Yeah, so now break this down. When we break this further, it could give us 64 times 2. Alright, so we break this to their individual square roots. So we have root 64 times root 2. So square root of 64 should give you 8. And square root of 2 can be broken down simply, perfectly. Yeah. So you still have root 2. So your final answer will be 8 root 2. Alright, so we go to the next example. Alright, so we have root what? 108. So when we break this, we can do 54 times what? 2. But what are you saying then? There's no perfect square here. 54 is not a perfect square, and 2 is not a perfect square. So you can also break it further by saying, okay, so why not I change this to 36 times 3? Yeah. So yeah, 36 times 3 should give you this digit. So 36 is a perfect square. So we break this into the individual roots. We give you root 36 times root 3. So 36 is what? 6. And root 3 is root 3. Is that a perfect square? So your final answer will be 6 root 3. So that's that. So in the next section, I'll be taking you into something a bit advanced. So stay tuned.